Good morning, it's a new day and we are going to tackle painting the bathroom today. We'll also be attempting, hopefully it works, it's kind of going to be an experiment, because why not experiment? Because it already looks so terrible, so surely we couldn't make it look worse. But basically I'm going to try and install these tiles as well to go over the ugly black tiles. So going to paint that with a bit of a primer beforehand so that it's not a black grout, because I don't think that'll look very nice, and see how that goes. So hopefully today we can do a bit of a transformation. Looking forward to it. First things first, we've got our sugar soap wipes and we're going to give everything a lovely clean down. We've lined all of the edges and it revealed to myself that the people that painted this yellow in the past didn't line it, so there is a little bit of residue on some of the tiles, but we'll deal with that as it comes up. Now we're ready to paint. Project update. So I've done half of the bathroom in primer a few times over and it's already feeling so much better just having the white on this side, and I cannot wait until it's all finished and I can reveal some of the less chaotic, less mental breakdown inducing yellow. Good morning everybody, it's a new day and I'm wearing the same shirt, but we are about to get back into painting. Yesterday we finished, as you saw, we finished the primer, and today we are going to, there's a little bit more primer to do, and then we're going to tackle the actual painting, which is super exciting. I've taken one more day off work to finish this project and hopefully we can get it done today before I have to go out to a networking event tonight. Okay, we have finished the primer section and I'm now mixing up this regular paint, which I had made up from Bunnings, and this is going to be our top coat. So let's get started. Okay guys, we are almost finished with our bathroom rezhuzh. I don't want to call it a reno because, to be honest, it probably isn't, and I've just noticed a spot that I've missed. I'm just about to install these up onto the splashback and pop a little mirror up here. But as you can see, I've just installed a new handle and we're looking pretty good. Hello, we are on day 3 of our little mini reno rezhuzh and we're getting there. I think it'll only take a couple more hours to finalize everything we've got going on, so we've got to move to a smaller brush today and just touch up some of these edges So the people that did it last time obviously didn't use painter's tape to, you know, get the edges nice and crisp. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take off all the tape, and then we're gonna get straight into just doing those little touch-ups, and we're getting so close. Almost there and very excited. So let's get this done. Okay, so we are doing some touch-up work now. I've just got a little bit of black here for the black area, and we're just going to touch up some of that yellow. This is a little bit of a mirror trick. So what you do is you use some painter's tape, and then you just put it into the back of the mirror or picture you're trying to hang. You find the middle points, and then you put a little mark there as to where you need to screw it in. I've put this here just to get a gauge of like how high it is, so I can get the right height. So you can do that as well if you want to, and then you just take it off and pop it on the wall, and you know exactly where the screws need to go. Okay, beautiful, perfect. It has been quite a long week, but we have got there in the end. So this is phase one, and I want to show you what we achieved. Hello, it has been 5 months and we've settled in the new house. It's feeling really nice. We've still got quite a few projects on the go and things to fix up, as with every house that was built like almost 100 years ago. I loved the bathroom reno that we did. It's been great, but I just realized that some of the matte edges of where the architectural pieces are in the house, they look a lot better with a gloss finish, and that's something that I have learnt through this process. The idea today is we're going to have a go at some more interesting painting. So we're going to tackle the door painting. We're going to see if we can get a little bit creative. I really don't know what colours we're going to end up with in the house yet, but I really do like the idea of sort of bringing a little bit less yellowy tones into the house and kind of more fresh, clear tones in. So we're talking like a bluey whites and bluey greys and things like that to try and contrast some of that yellow look that this house has had for a very long time. So let's jump into it. We are painting the edges of this window, the nice grey colour that I was talking about earlier, and hopefully it looks okay. I really like how it's looking. I think that it's going to be a really nice little feature. And so I've prepped this door now, and we've got everything ready for popping in the greys in these areas, and then popping on the lovely shiny white on the other areas, and let's just see how it goes. It's all an experiment. Well, it has been many months since we started this project, but it has now come to somewhat of an end. and now we have a little bathroom that we semi-like, which was the goal. So thanks for coming along the journey, and I hope you had fun watching. Bye.